Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Virtual Skills and I am Latifulbari with you. In this video, I'll show you how to install Java runtime environment on Windows 7 currently. To do so, just open your favorite browser and search for JRE, Java Runtime Environment. And the first result from oracle.com is our targeted website. But here, an important thing that you need to know. If you want to run any Java program in your computer, then you need to install Java Runtime Environment. But if you want to develop a Java program, then you need to install JDK, Java Development Kit. Suppose if you want to develop an app in Android Studio using Java language, then you need to install JDK, not JRE. And I have already uploaded a video on how to install JDK. You can check it in this video description. Now scroll down to find out the correct version to download for your operating system. As I am using Windows 64 bits, so I'll go with this exe file. Now click on this link. Here, accept the license agreement and click on download. It will be redirected to a login page. Now if you have already an Oracle account, then just sign in here. But if you don't have one yet, then just click here to create a new account. Here you need to fill up this form. This is mandatory. If you don't have any business or company, just fill out with your name and give a job title like owner or founder or whatever you like. It's not a big deal, right? Okay, I have filled out the form with necessary information. Just click on Create Account. Well, now you need to log in your email account to verify your email address. Just open this email. Click on Verify Email Address button and your account is ready to use. Now get back to your Oracle login tab and fill out the login information to sign in, and it will automatically download your file. Use your email address as username and fill the password and click on Sign in. OMG, the information that you are about to submit is not secure. Well, this is Oracle's official site and this is hilarious. Anyways, if you are also facing such problem, just click on Send Anyway. Well, you can see it's being downloaded, right? After finishing the download, just click to run it. Now click Yes to allow this program in your PC and install it. Well, it's pretty straightforward to install this program. You see, it's already successfully installed. Now close it. Alright, now we need to set up the Java environment variables in our system properties so that Java can work perfectly. To do so, just right click on my computer icon and go to Properties. Now we need to click on this Advanced System Settings. You can also navigate here from your control panel, then System and Advanced System Settings. Well, I have forgot something to show you. After the installation, you will find this Java icon in your Start menu. Anyways, just click on Advanced System Settings. Here in System Properties, we'll work on an Advanced tab. Now click on Environment Variables and click on New here below this System Variables. Now write Java_home in Variables Names field. And here you need to put the variable's value. To find this value, you need to go to your local disk C, then Program Files. Here find the Java folder. Then open JRE, the version you have installed. Well, you can see here multiple folders because I have also installed JDK earlier. Maybe you will find here this folder only. Anyways, now click on Bin folder. Here, copy this folder location. And paste it in the variable values. Now click on OK. And we are done. Now let's check it out if it is working properly. Click on Start menu, write CMD. Now right click on it. Run as administrator. Now write echo space %java_home% and press enter. This will verify the Java environmental variables path that you have set earlier, and it is working perfectly. Now write cd space and paste bin folder location that you have copied earlier. Press enter. Alright, we have successfully got access in our Java bin folder. Now let's check the version. Write java space -version. You can see the version information, right? And it's working perfectly. Well, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and just stay tuned.